Just make sure.
Alrighty guys, we've transferred the quail over into the main pen out of the brooder box. Just put them in here about 5 minutes ago. We got a little sand bowl for them. I make pottery for a living, so this is one of my bowls here. Let's see what you think about that. Let me show you a better view of the pen here. So this is based off of Slightly Redneck's design, and I basically messed it up right off the bat because these 2x4 legs are supposed to be on the exterior. Then that gives you a perfectly 36-inch platform to lay your hardware mesh on. So I had to kind of frame it out and, you know, notch it out. So that made things slightly more difficult, but in the long run I think it's going to work. So we got half is closed in with these two doors, and then half is hardware mesh, and it's got a 1x4 ceiling, which is like a storage platform. We're doing, for food, we're doing the 30% Purina Game Bird starter mix, and they enjoy that. Regular chicken water. And yeah, that's how it started off. We've never had quail before, so this is a new venture for us. I am going to have to get some rebar and cable to like kind of secure this to the ground a little more, just in case of wind. I don't want it to tip over. But this is the quail. These are about 3 weeks old, but we've got, temperatures are pretty nice here. It's like 80 during the day, and it's going to be 65 tonight. And I think they're going to be good to go for outdoors. They're getting a little cramped in the brooder box, but you can see they're pretty much feathered out and of good size. Like, I think they're going to handle the temperature quite well. Look at that one, how puffed out. They're kind of cautious of this hardware mesh, but yeah, this is the standard 1/2-inch hardware mesh that seemingly everyone uses. Can't wait for some eggs. Just gonna leave the video on for a few minutes and let you guys watch the quail. Thank you for watching.
Hello. I would put y'all in the food. Put y'all in the food. Ooh, he's struggling a little bit. See the food. See the food. See the food. Ooh. Hello, pretty pup. Oh, Travis. Look at how big that one is.
It's a big one there.
She's drifting up, or he? I don't know.
Actually, that does look like female.
Yeah, she's buff. Wow, she's so pretty.
See the speckled breast like that? Apparently that's female. The males have more of a, what is it, a circular, like a bronze circular
like
pattern?
Yeah, like a copper color to their breast.
You can see this big one here, it's got a lot of that speckled pattern on its chest. Most likely a female. And this one,
Travis,
hang on, gotta pick up a loose one.
Hi. Oh, this is a big one. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh no, no, no. Are you okay?
Careful, careful.
Okay. I'm gonna go now.
You might want to shut the doors.
Was it? Did you get it?
I'm just walking around out here. See where he went. Over here in the wild. It's gonna be kind of hard to grab him with one hand.
Yeah. Okay. You don't video that.
Look at him flying.
Travis, get in front of him.
Careful.
Come here. I'm sorry. Okay.
All right, let me open
This
the
is
door.
a huge one. You're so sweet. I know you're firing up. Oh, you're so beautiful.
Oh, hang on. Can't get that open.
Sorry.
It doesn't need to bend inwards like that. Okay.
I'm not holding you tight or anything.
Okay, back in he goes.
Yeah. That's a sheep.
She goes.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got some quail rolling and cleaning themselves in the sand, so we're back. Also got a couple sticks in here for enrichment. Look at them just go into town on the sand. Hopefully you can see that.
We just stand here for a second, they should get comfortable. Well, y'all roll. Show us your best roll. Oh. Oh, look at that one, Travis. That is adorable. You see the sand on her back?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. We know you're the king of the castle.
All right, guys, just wanted to show you that. Sand seems to be going over quite well.
Yeah.
Later.